Hey guys, this is how to install Macbook RAM. 4 gigs of RAM I'm installing right now. This is also the debut of me in person as electronic guinea pig. Hello. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we're going to want to do is take the battery off. I just have a screwdriver. You can use a coin or whatever. And you just unlock it and it pops right out, right here. Put that off to the side. Next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want a really small screwdriver, just like the one I have right here. And there'll be 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna want to unscrew all of those. Nice and easy. Alright, and that should pop right out like that. That comes out right there. I'll put that off to the side. And then you're going to have 2 slots right here. 1, 2. And they're each going to have a latch, just like this one right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there and there. And you're just gonna go like this. Move the latch over like that, and the memory will pop out. 1, 2. And you just take the memory out. 1. Get the other. I currently, right now, this is 1 gig of RAM right here. And I'll be installing 4 today. Here's the new RAM. Great deal. 4 gigs of RAM for $35 off Newegg with a mail-in rebate. But their rebates ended today, so guess I should have told you guys before. Get that RAM to pop out. Goes in with the little notch right there to the left. The notch is to the left, so it goes in like that. Alright. Kind of snaps in a little bit. Second one. Make sure they're both in. Then we put the cover back on. Which goes in like so. Alright, once you have the screws back in, battery goes back in, like so. Put the lock back on, and you're good to go. And start her up. Don't have to install any software, it's the beauty of RAM. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys later. Electronic Guinea Pig out.